Hello, in today's video I'm going to explain whether the Pro-Ject T1 EVO has an amplifier built in. And the short answer is no, it does not have an amplifier built in. Some models have the preamplifier built in, which means they can either output phono or line output, which means that when typical record player consists of 4 elements, the turntable, preamplifier, amplifier, and a speaker, you can already have 2 elements in one, which is the turntable and the preamp. Then you either need to get an amplifier and a speaker or 2 speakers to get stereo, or you can get an active speaker. Active speaker has an amplifier already built in, like in my case. You can see there's just 2 elements visible here, the turntable and an active speaker, and that's all I need. Although it is important that you know that the preamplifier is only built in T1 EVO Phono and T1 EVO Bluetooth. There also exists a version that's called T1 EVO without anything later. So just T1 EVO without any suffix. And that version doesn't have any phono amplifier, the preamplifier, which means you will either need to get a preamplifier, amplifier, and a speaker, or preamplifier and a speaker and an active speaker, or you can get an integrated amplifier, which means it comes with both the preamp and amp and then connected to a bookshelf speaker. And that's what you can do here. But I think there are probably some speakers that come with both the preamp and amp together, but I'm not really sure about that. So yeah, for T1 EVO you don't even have the preamp built in, and for T1 EVO Phono or T1 EVO Bluetooth you get the preamplifier but do not have the amplifier. So you either get an amplifier and a speaker or an active speaker. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.